What's up, everybody? King of FOMO here, coming at you with your daily crypto update. And this is going to be kind of a special feature video. I am actually going to release this one on YouTube before, well, actually at the same time as CocoScope, because this opportunity I think is really, really good, and I want to share this with you guys as soon and as quickly as possible because there's a lot to be to kind of get here. So this platform I'm going to be talking about today is called CashFX Group. Now, what drew me close to CashFX Group in the first place was, number one, the people talking about it. So these people that are talking about CashFX Group, the people that brought this to me, are none other than Luigi Bruni and Justin Halliday, who are both the same people who sort of really brought the most attention to Cloud Token. It's the reason why you guys heard about Cloud Token from me. It's the reason why you have so much information about Cloud Token and why you're connected to Ronald AI so much from within Cloud Token. And they have a lot of just some basic principles that they really stick by for joining these different types of platforms. Cloud Token has hit basically all of them and is very secure and has a lot of transparency and a lot of freedom and flexibility. So that's what these guys look for when they're looking for these types of platforms. And CashFX Group is the exact same thing. It has pretty much a lot of the same stuff that Cloud Token has in terms of the principles of flexibility, being able to move your crypto or move your money around within the platform. Nothing is really locked up in here. The earning potential is very high. The transparency of the people that are running this platform is very high as well, and it's just getting started. So just like in Cloud Token, CashFX Group or Cash Forex Group, this is, I think they said that this is only like day 4 or 5 of this platform being public at all, and they're still in pre-launch. So you're still in the very, very beginning phases of building your Cash Forex Group team if you're going to build a team. And the last key point is you don't have to build a team with this. You can still make up to 2x on whatever packages that you purchase from within this this group, and leave with 2x, or you can make up to 4x. So let's go ahead and get right into the presentation. This video right here, I'm going to link this video in the description below, or I might put it in my Telegram channel. I might not put it on my YouTube channel because it is a private video, and I'm not sure if they want me to share the private video so publicly. So just a reminder to you guys, make sure that you're following my Telegram channel. It's t.me/kingoffomo1, where I'll probably post this video on there. But I will play a snippet of this a little bit later. And we'll go over the dashboard and the different packages that you can purchase in a second as well. But like I said, what I want to start with is this little presentation that I made. So let's go ahead and open the slideshow up. And Cash Forex Group is the name of the platform, like I said, and these are the key points to highlight. It's about an hour-long video, so I watched all of it, and this is the key stuff that I got from the video. Number one is this is in pre-launch. Like I said earlier, this is only day 4 or 5. Something to remember is that Cloud Token is currently at 600,000 signups after about 5 months of operation. It started off really, really slow back in February, and then it really picked up speed back in around mid-May when I joined, and it's still kind of picking up speed at the moment after 5 months. This current program, Cash Forex Group, the last tally was approximately only 200 members at the moment. So you are getting in on the ground up on the very, very beginning. If you're watching this video in the first couple of days or the first couple of weeks or even the first month of me releasing this, I think that Cash Forex Group has a lot of room to grow in terms of membership. So you are the earliest, and I always talk to you guys about these platforms, whether you're looking at them in terms of sustainability and lasting a long time, or in terms of just earning potential, or in terms of just growth with the group and knowing what you're talking about in the first place. The earlier the better whenever it comes to anything in crypto. So the second key point I want to go over is this platform. This is a platform that offers Forex trading and Forex trading training. So you can be a part of the 5%. What that means is only about 5% of people who do Forex trading are actually good at it and make a profit out of it. Most 95% of everybody else end up leaving or not doing so well with Forex trading. Well, this platform is going to offer you tips and tricks to be able to be a good Forex trader should you use that. So not only can you just earn passively from just sitting back and doing nothing, that is an option. You don't have to use the training platform at all if you don't want to, but it is there to offer you something as you're purchasing these packages, so that you can leave with not just more crypto, but you can leave with actual knowledge to be able to use later on in life. 30% of your purchase goes to this. So whatever you're purchasing, it's about 30%. That number could be wrong because the percentages are a little bit confusing to me, but a certain percentage of what you're buying goes to this training package. So you're not just buying more crypto to earn 2x worth of crypto. The next key point is You have the option to withdraw your deposit at any time. This is unheard of. I know a lot of you guys see a platform like this and you think of other platforms that are similar, like FX trading or just some other platforms that are like that. In my opinion, this is pretty much completely different because they offer way more than those types of HYIP platforms. But the option to withdraw your deposit at any time is pretty much unheard of outside of things like super wallets. Now, there is a 30% penalty to doing this. So if you deposit and withdraw right away, it's just like Cloud Token. You're going to get a little bit of a penalty because, you know, they have to have some incentive for you guys to keep your funds in there over a period of time. But you're not locked in there. There's no lock-in period. So you have the option, if you need be, to take your deposit out at any time with that 30% penalty. And I'll talk about the earning structure too, where it still becomes profitable. You don't have to leave it in the whole time if you don't want to, but I think the majority of people will, you know, want to do that. So the next point is professional traders will use a portion of each pack to earn and distribute profits back to you. So this is where the passive profits come into play. You don't have to do any trading yourself. The training is there for you to be able to use in your real life if you want to, but these professional traders are going to be able to earn a lot back. And the video that I'm going to link in the Telegram group shows you an algorithm. The guy shows an algorithm. I think his name is I gotta make sure I remember his name. I don't want to say the wrong thing. But he shows you an algorithm of that CashFX is using, where they deposited $1,000 and a day or two later they were able to earn $1,000. Well, they were able to leave with $1,410. So they earned about 40% in a very short period of time. So the earnings can be pretty big with this platform, at least what they're claiming to show. And you're going to be getting those profits distributed back to you up to a certain amount. So your earnings are 15% to 25% per week. So that's pretty high. That is pretty high. I can't remember. They might have said per day. I have to actually look at this, more closely. I think I remember them saying per day, but I'm going to be on the safe side and say per week. Either way, that is a big number. And some of you might say that's an unrealistic number, but the number, or the application that they showed, the trades that they showed already, which you're going to be able to see within the platform as well, show, these numbers are being earned at the current moment, and it's up to, so it could be less, it could be more, but this is just an estimated number. The 15% is the number that they're really sticking with. And like I said before, you can earn while you learn, so you're earning this 15% to 25% per week or per day or whatever, and you're earning, and you can still learn through the Forex trading platform. There's two types of earnings from within the platform, and I'm just going to clarify that, and this is the part of the video that I'm actually going to play, and you guys can listen for yourself. There's bear capital and then there's bull capital. So with bear capital, you're going to be earning up to 2 times your deposit. So if you do a deposit of $1,000, then by the end of your package, you'll be able to have $2,000 that you can pull out of the platform before your package just completely stops. You can choose to upgrade any time between then and when your package ends, or when you get your 2x, but that's what bear capital is. It's your passive profits per day. You have another separate box of earnings that you can get, though, on top of the bear capital. So you can say that the bear capital is one circle or one box of earnings that you're going to be getting over a period of time. Bull capital, you kind of have to fill that up yourself. That's where you can earn up to 4x of your deposit. So if you do the $1,000 deposit, you will be getting paid out on that $1,000 daily or weekly or whatever, and that's going to accumulate on its own from you sitting back doing nothing. While that's accumulating, you can also be promoting this, be putting your link out there, be getting downlines, and all of that stuff, the promotional aspect of this, and you can get up to 4x your deposit. So instead of turning that $1,000 into $2,000, that $1,000 can turn into $4,000 before it stops, and you have to upgrade at that moment. So what I'm going to do is I have currently a $300 package in here. I'm definitely going to upgrade to at least the $1,000 package, if not probably the most, the $5,000 package within the system, and that's going to be able to net me a total of up to about $20,000 for the bull capital if I'm putting the link out there and I get the maximum bull capital and the maximum bear capital over time. So there's a lot of potential for you guys to earn with this. 4x is a pretty big number, and it's still modest being 2x. You're not getting a crazy 400% from doing nothing, but 200% is a little more realistic in my opinion. And finally, just just to review, this platform is transparent. So the people that are doing the trading, the person running the platform, the promoters, everything that you guys are seeing is transparent. People are there. You can see who they are. You can look them up. They're doing videos. They're going to be doing regular updates. You can see who the traders are. All that stuff is going to be visible. The trading is going to be visible. Everything like that. So that is a big factor. Almost every other HYIP that kind of scams away and runs have people that are just non-existent, translucent. You can't see them at all. So the second part is it's flexible. You're able to withdraw your deposit at any time with that 30% penalty. You are not locked in here. That is a huge plus. And that's one of the big reasons why in Cloud Token I have so much in Cloud Token and these other super wallets. I don't mind putting in a bigger chunk of my crypto portfolio into these things if I have the option to take it out whenever I want. The next option is, or the next review point is higher earning profitability, up to 15 to 25% per week, 4x your deposit, and you also can get commissions in other ways as well. So there's I think that this is definitely going to really kick off in the next couple of days. It's useful. You guys can have that Forex trading, and it's hyped. So at the moment, I always bring you guys these things at the very beginning moments. But I think in the next couple of weeks or the next month or so, it's really going to start to get hyped, and a lot of people are going to get behind it because, again, the people have a good track record that are talking about it at the moment. And like I said, there are principles that they really look for. Since they all fit with CashFX Group, there's really no other platform out there that's doing this like CashFX Group. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go show you guys this back office. Actually, I'll do this part now. So you have your leadership status, your bull capital, and your bear capital. Like I said, these are your two earnings that you're going to be able to earn off of, and your account finance, which is what you have in there altogether. What I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to be upgrading right here to the $1,000 package, like I said earlier. So that's this one right here, possibly the $5,000 package. I'll do that off camera because it does reveal a little bit of personal information if I do click on that stuff. But you will see that I am hopefully going to be in the supreme level from doing this. But you can go anywhere from up to about $30,000 to $100,000, depending on how much you want to put into this platform. But again, the earnings are a 2x potential possibility from doing nothing, and 4x from putting your link out there. And basically it's a cap. So if you refer a bunch of people and you can't, and you can earn a potentially like $20,000. If you only buy the $500 pack, then well, you can't really get the $20,000 because it's going to cap up at $2,000. So you have to decide how much can you potentially refer and how much do you want to potentially earn, and make a decision with that. So buying the smallest package is going to cap you at 4x total earnings. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over to the video. Like I said, I'm only going to play a little bit of this, but this is what got me excited about it, and we'll listen to this. You guys can watch the rest of this video on my Telegram channel, and it's the whole thing's really good. So let's just play this part right here. Actually, let me make sure that you guys can hear thing. Actually, I just got to turn this off. Here we go.
Broker, but we share 100% of the value of the product. So that means that 30% we give it away to people in our network marketing organization. So right. The company makes money in the trades, and the company makes money with the ecosystem that is creating with the product. So actually, we don't need to touch people's money. So we divided those people in bear capital and bull capital. The bear are sitting there, watching the waves on the beach, eating and making money autopilot, every day from Monday to Friday. So bulls are the one, to decide to share, and they want to maximize up to 4x. 4x is the earnings 400% that you can make if you decide to jump into this and hit the whole world.
So you're telling me if I start with 30,000 and I fall in that bull capital category, you're talking about basically $120,000 return.
Is correct. You can opt to go.
Money, Oscar, take it.
Well, actually, look. Actually, we don't need to build because this is flawless. I mean, what we're doing with this MetaTrader here is the actually MetaTrader that is installed here, and you can see like the operation runnings, in real time, and operations. And actually, I'm gonna show you the total to see if you can see over the screen all
can see it.
operation red, buy and sell blue, you know, and actually you can see it here on the end.
Yeah, so
I think,
47%.
yeah, it's 400 $1,471. So it's actually from an account of $1,000 is 1,476 at the end of the month. So the earnings is $476. You know, with this
That algorithm, is that something that you guys is it proprietary to you?
It is our proper, yeah, it is.
Okay.
So we have partners that been developing this technology, and we also.
All right, like I said, there's a lot more to that video, so there's a lot of just really good information in it altogether. I encourage you guys to watch the entire hour if you have a chance to, but that gives you guys a basic introduction of this whole platform. This is CashFXGroup.com, and yeah, so let me know what you guys think about it, and does it seem like it can be the next really big profitable opportunity? It might be something that you want to do on the side, but in my opinion, it fits all the checks and balances for the stuff that really has the potential to grow, and that, you know, is not as super high a risk as a lot of the other HYIPs that you hear a lot of other people talk about in general. So it's right up my alley. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're watching this on YouTube, I prefer that you watch my videos on CocoScope. I don't really mess around with YouTube too much due to different reasons, so subscribe to me on there, and that's where I'm going to be doing other things like giveaways and stuff like that. You can follow my Twitter page, which is @FOMO_of, and my Telegram channel, which is going to have all this information and more, t.me/king of FOMO1. All right, guys, catch you in the next video. Peace out.